Tom, we're out of eggs again.
Really? I thought we had some left.
Nope, all gone.
Did you use them all?
Maybe. I made pancakes this morning.
Pancakes? Without me?
Sorry, I was hungry.
Next time, save some for me.
I'll buy more eggs today.
Good. I need them for breakfast.
You and your breakfast.
Life needs pancakes.
Life needs coffee too.
True. Let's get both.
Sure, I'll help carry the bags.
Lena, the lamp in the living room isn't working.
Did you check the bulb?
Yes, I changed it. Still nothing.
Maybe it's the switch.
Or the plug.
Let's try another outlet.
Good idea.
Still not working.
I think it's broken.
We need a new lamp.
Let's buy one this weekend.
Okay, but you carry it home.
Deal.
Tom, want to try the new cafe on Main Street?
Sure, I heard their coffee is great.
And they have fresh pastries.
Let's go after work.
Perfect. I'll meet you at 5.
I'll save us a table.
I hope it's not too crowded.
If it is, we'll get takeout.
Good plan.
Lena, the car is so dirty.
I know. It rained last night.
Let's wash it together.
Okay, I'll get the soap and sponge.
I'll fill the bucket with water.
Who wants to rinse?
I'll do it.
You just want to play with the hose.
Maybe.
Let's finish before it gets dark.
Teamwork makes it faster.
Tom, can you help me with this website?
Sure, what's wrong?
My order won't go through.
Did you enter your address?
Yes,
Try refreshing the page.
it worked. Thanks, Tom.
You're welcome. Happy shopping.
Lena, any plans for Saturday?
Not yet. Do you have an idea?
How about a movie night?
Sounds fun.
I'll bring popcorn.
I'll make lemonade.
What movie should we watch?
Something funny.
Deal.
Tom, look at that kitten.
It's so cute.
I want to take it home.
Do you know how to take care of a cat?
I'll learn.
Let's ask the shopkeeper for advice.
Good idea.
Maybe we can get a small toy for it too.
Yes, let's do that.
Lena, where should we go for our holiday?
How about the mountains?
Sounds great. I love hiking.
I love the fresh air.
Should we go by train or bus?
Train is more comfortable.
Let's book tickets this weekend.
Perfect. I'll make a list of things to pack.
Perfect. I'll make a list of things to pack.
This will be fun.
Lena, are you ready for the gym?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, I'll show you around.
Thanks. What should we do first?
Let's start with the treadmill.
Okay, but go slow.
No problem.
This isn't so bad.
See? You're doing great.
Tom, have you seen my phone?
No, where did you last use it?
I think in the kitchen.
Let's check.
Not here.
Did you leave it in your bag?
Oh, yes, here it is.
You always lose your phone.
I know. Thanks for helping me find it.
Anytime.